Hey wildlife artists! Welcome back to the Number Color Club. Today, we're coloring one of the forest's cleverest creatures, a fox. Let's start with the fox's beautiful coat. Look for all the number 1 spaces. That's for the color orange. Fill in the fox's head, ears, and big parts of its body with bright orange. Look how sly he looks. Next, let's find the number 2 spots. Number 2 is yellow. Use yellow for the tip of his tail and his chest fur. Now, find number 4 for gray. Our fox needs something to stand on. Look for all the number 3 spots. Number 3 is brown. Oops! We forgot number 2, yellow on the tree. Now for the forest floor and leaves. Most of the remaining ground area is number 5. Number 5 is green. Let's color all the large sections of grass and plants with green. Our fox loves the green forest. We're almost done. Now for the sky. Look for all the number 6 spaces in the background. Number 6 is blue. Fill in the rest of the picture with blue to complete the sky. Incredible! We did it! Our clever fox is complete. You are an amazing artist. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.